Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. For the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana High Court Triple S exam and stenotypist exam, be ready. Start. For the purpose of finding out if a person has abetted commission of suicide by another semicolon, the consideration would be if the accused is guilty of the act of instigation of the act of suicide, full stop, as explained and reiterated by this court in the decisions above referred, comma, instigation means to goad, comma, urge forward, comma, provoke, comma, incite or encourage to do an act, full stop, if the persons who committed suicide had been hypersensitive and the action of accused is otherwise not ordinarily expected to induce a similarly circumstanced person to commit suicide, comma, it may not be safe to hold the accused guilty of abetment of suicide, full stop, but, comma, on the other hand, comma, if the accused by his acts and by his continuous course of conduct creates a situation which leads the deceased perceiving no other option except to commit suicide, comma, the case may fall within the four corners of section 306 IPC, full stop, if the accused plays an active role in tarnishing the self-esteem and self-respect of the victim, comma, which eventually draws the victim to commit suicide, comma, the accused may be held guilty of abetment of suicide, full stop. The question of mens rea on the part of the accused in such cases would be examined with reference to the actual acts and deeds of the accused, and if the acts and deeds are only of such nature where the accused intended nothing more than harassment or snap show of anger, comma, a particular case may fall short of the offense of abetment of suicide, full stop. However, comma, if the accused kept on irritating or annoying the deceased by words or deeds until the deceased reacted or was provoked, comma, a particular case may be that of abetment of suicide, full stop, such being the matter of delicate analysis of human behavior, comma, each case is required to be examined on its own facts, comma, while taking note of all the surrounding factors having bearing the actions and provoke oblique psyche of the accused and the deceased, full stop, stanza, keeping in view the above stated principles of law and the evidence led by the prosecution, comma, this court has to scrupulously examine as to whether the ingredients of the offense under section 306 IPC would be attracted in the facts and the circumstances of the present case, full stop, stanza, adverting to the facts of the present case, comma, to sustain conviction under section 306 IPC, comma, the prosecution must first establish that the deceased committed suicide, full stop. In the present case, no post hyphen mortem examination was conducted, semicolon, the ashes and remains sent to the FSL did not reveal presence of poison, semicolon, the complainant himself stated that he did not know how Sushma had died and that it might be possible that she consumed poison or that she was killed, full stop. Moreover, comma, there is no medical or scientific evidence conclusively establishing that the death was suicidal in nature, full stop. The prosecution case rests solely on oral testimony and suspicion, full stop. In criminal jurisprudence, the foundational fact of suicide cannot be presumed, full stop. In the absence of medical evidence or cogent material, it cannot be conclusively held that the deceased committed suicide, full stop. At the threshold, the prosecution has failed to establish the foundational fact that the deceased committed suicide, full stop. In a charge under section 306 IPC, proof of suicide is a sine qua non, full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 100 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस related to steno. Thanks to all. Be practice for better future.